responsible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. There we go. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day? Tammy, hello, welcome. I recognize your name. You're new. Welcome to the stream. DWT, nice to see you. Yeah, glad to see you were a winner. The software picked it, I didn't. So all random. Morning, Mr. G. How are you this morning? Let's take a look at the markets after our extreme sell-off yesterday. Amazing drop. So far, we've seen the drop, and it's trying to come back now. ES 55.41 for a high. Looks like 07 for a low, so it's like 34 points. Ew, gee, that's horrible. NQ 825, 983, about 157 points, something like that. Don't know. Early morning math. Kappa, about 120 ticks of range. Ultra bond, the ultra bond. Sorry. Looks like we have about 22 ticks in range there. Gold, big drop, almost went below 2,500, bounced off 2,505. It has about 26 points in range. Crude oil rising up, still only at 71 though. Dipped below 70 last night. A little over 2 points in range. Natural gas heading up. Bitcoin all the way back down to 56.5. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. I saw, gee, that there's some tropical disturbances again, and every time that happens, you guys down there have to watch things. Do I have sniffles? I have a little bit of a stuffy nose. Let me mute and blow my nose real quick. Hopefully that'll be better. Let's see. As Mr. G said, we do have news this morning. We're gonna get jolted by the job openings report at 10 Eastern, and U.S. factory orders at 10 Eastern. Bank of Canada rate decision. I believe they're expected to drop. And of course, coming up here just in about 25 minutes, the U.S. trade balance, Canadian trade balance. Lots of balancing there. Morning, Robin. How are you today? I'm doing all right. I mean, if I had to guess, I would say we're going to do some recovering from yesterday, but there's a reason I don't guess. Yeah, Vidya. Yeah. It's interesting that, Nvidia struggle. Everything's kind of struggling. I haven't seen you around or at least talking here, DWT, lately. How you been? It's good to see you. Oh, God. Dropping frames. Might need to hit your live buttons. We're had a little bit of a blip there. I'm about 15 seconds behind on my test. Hey, Juan, how are you? Oh, wow, G. I didn't realize it was that big. Oh, wow. I hadn't heard that. Well, at least that explains that. And now we're kind of hanging here at 18,888. Looking for our first trade of the day. What's our ATR? About 6, okay. Yes, it's trending upwards to Dow. Everything's in kind of unison. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you? Boom, 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 boom. So V8. Little purple candle there pulling back. I need to see it break the 9. So far it's bouncing on the 9. But it would have worked for 5. So far, not a lot going on. Oh, you know what? I need to fix a Nightbot. So many different things I gotta fix every time the sale changes. Bulenox is 87% off right now, not 90. Bouncing on the 20. Anybody able to ride that wave down yesterday for big points? Hundred EMA's looming there. I got a purple. Short. See if he can break through the 100. Oh, crap. Bounces. It comes back down. Fall for me. Fall. Nope, not going to fall. Can't break through that 100 EMA. Should have taken the little bit it gave me, I guess. Maybe not. There we go. Come on. taking it off there. So 3, almost 4 points. Hanging on that 100. I'll take the quick win. Give me a win to start the morning. Move this around. Okay, there we go. Did the ching sound come through when I did it? It's not coming through. Yesterday it came through my headphones. Today it didn't. Morning, Chris. JC, how are you guys? Oh, another purple. Do I want it? Do I want it? Do I want it? Probably not. Yeah. Hey, good morning, Rad. Yeah, I got the headphone dangling off my ear, waiting for my new headphones to arrive. Hey, Platt. Good morning. Ooh, Tacoma. So it's like really early there, huh? Ah. Well, I hope she has a great year. First day ever, like, or just first day for this year? Still falling? Oh, okay. Cool. Ah, last year before high school. a sec here, checking on something with Fast Track. Still falling, so I should have trusted this purple. I didn't, but it's still coming down. Flat, does she like school or is she dreading it? Yeah, I think most kids are like that, you know. Parts they like. I guess you could say most people could say that about work too. Morning, John. How are you? Still falling here or trying to fall? So it's giving back all this. Did you catch that up move, John? Usually you catch those up moves from earlier. Good. There you go. Oh, there you go. You were posting as I was talking. Excellent. Yeah, it's after the Phillies gave up the 6 runs in the first inning. I'm on a Phillies message board thingy. Like people were saying, should we just forfeit now? And warm up Stubbs, who's the backup catcher, who comes in to pitch it in blowouts, and then we come all the way back and win. Schwarber monster game. Schwarber hadn't hit a home run since August 14th, and then he hits 3. Speaking of your country, we have U.S. trade balance, Canadian trade balance coming up in a few minutes. Yeah, it has. I mean, and they were saying on the broadcast about how good of their defense has been, throughout this entire year, and they really butchered a bunch of plays last night. So sitting here, 870, trying to pop up. See what the news does in a couple minutes. Got one small win under my belt. Fun fact, I'm not actually wearing a belt. Pop from the blue. Do I want to take this blue candle or not? It's cutting through 2 EMAs. The 100 EMA sits right above it. Oh, now it cut through. It's sitting right on it. And we're going to go long. See what happens. Looks like that was a mistake. Maybe. Come on. Give me a couple ticks and I'll get back out. I'll hold for a minute just because MyFundedFutures can get weird about that. There we go. Morning, Hassan. It's a good question. I don't think it's having a nice rise right now. You know what? I'm out there. I'll take that win here right before news. I don't know this news really moves market much. That was a 5 1/4 points. No, 6 1/4. No, 5 1/4. Yeah, 5 1/4. Early morning math, not my thing. I do have a PLT platinum chart down here. We can expand it because I don't watch oil that much. Honestly, though, Hassan, I mean, I agree and I disagree. I think I need to hold trades longer. I'm more apt to get out too soon. Like if that had been, if another firm, I might have got out with 2 ticks. So in this case, it's probably good that they make me that I'm thinking about having to hold for at least a minute. If that had gone 10 points, I wouldn't have waited a minute. If it just shot right up. There's our news. Platinum not doing much. 6 ticks. It's trying to bounce. NQ trying to bounce here. Gold falling again. Gold came very close to dropping back under 2,500 earlier in the evening or overnight, not evening, overnight, whatever I'm trying to say. And Q looks like it's continuing to try and push up. Meanwhile, I can't do push-ups. Uh, the problem there, Hassan, is, you know, I remember I only have one leg, and while I do have the artificial leg, I have a lot of mobility issues. So if I got down on the floor to do a push-up, I'm not sure I would be able to get back up. Platinum, PL, and we are having a platinum challenge in the Discord. It's there's like 19 of us, and we're just I guess it's like 15 of us, and we're just trying. We got cheap evals, and we're all trying to see if we can pass an eval just trading platinum. Yeah, I need to start doing more physical activity. It's yeah. I mean, NQ isn't doing a lot, but I have gotten two wins out of 2 trades so far. Yeah, DWT in the Discord, we're doing this each month now, as long as there's interest. Last month we did agriculture products. This month they're just doing platinum. It's not a race, it's just to see how many of us can actually pass trading only platinum. Most of us are using like the cheap Bulenox accounts, but there's a couple people using other accounts besides Bulenox. Ooh, whoosh. Oh, actually, hold on. I got a sound for that. I'm not hearing the sounds of my headphones today like I did yesterday. I'm not sure why. Did the whoosh sound come across? I think I'll be smart enough to test this stuff out. Excellent. Someone said that to me in the Discord. Whoosh. It's still whooshing. It's a whooshing machine. So NQ gave back this entire thing. Now you can see here it came down earlier, and it's come down to this level several times. This 859, 862, 857. So this is an interesting level. See if it bounces here or if it breaks. What's our low of the day? It's low of the day is still a ways away, down at 825. I went back to the old headphones until my new headphones arrive. So right now I got the thing dangling off my ear, which is really annoying, but I figured the sound quality was worth the annoyance. There are headphones on the way. Ms. For Money has sent me headphones as an early birthday gift. It doesn't move bad, you know. It follows the. Um, no, they're not Beats, but you know what? I looked at Beats once and I couldn't even figure out where the mic was on those. So, and you know, I don't need Beats. I just need something that's not going to make me sound like whatever it was I sounded like yesterday. Still falling. So yeah, definitely appreciate. This community is awesome. CFT and Robin both sending me birthday gifts is just mind blowing to me. And of course, I talked yesterday about other gifts I've gotten in the past. Y'all are amazing. So yeah, this is platinum while we watch NQ fall. And you can see, I got nailed. I tried to go long here yesterday, and I took the stop out, and then it went. But it doesn't move badly, not like some of the other things. Well, thank you, Robin. I might actually take the short on platinum here if this purple candle holds. I'm running it off a 5-minute chart. So far it's not holding. Meanwhile, NQ continues to fall, bounce. So it got through, kind of through this area, but now it's bouncing. Up to the 9. I didn't take the blue candle because it was right sniffing at the 9. So that means it's probably going to go. By the way, reminder, guys, that Robin, aka For Money, will be joining me live here on MightyOxTrading Wednesday, a week from today, September 11th. This is the woman that put in a payout request through Apex yesterday for $22,000. So yeah, that blue candle ended up working. I didn't trust it. Should have. Good morning, RJ. Good job, Hassan. I was not smart enough to go long. RJ, did you happen to see the Blue Jays game last night? Still moving up. Yep. The Schwarbarian. Wow, look at this recovery. So this was another bounce off that same area. It got a little bit lower than this, but what a bounce. Back up to 883. They're going to see a pullback here. We'll see. Sitting at 887. Did pause here a little bit. We're about 45 minutes from the bell. Remember, folks, RJ will be joining me on Tuesday for my birthday stream. We're doing 8 hours, 8 to 4 Eastern. Pre-bout the bell. Still rising, though. Trying to reclaim 18.9. Where? Which blue candle are you talking about? The one all the way back here? I mean, yeah, it could be cold. No. One before all those. Yeah, that's this one here. Yeah, I know. See, I hesitate a little bit on those, and I'll show you why. I hesitated on that one because sometimes when they go right up against the 9, they just bounce right back down. Like, see this one here? That one didn't work. But this one did, and this one did. So, yeah. What I should have done is once I didn't trust this one, once I got this solid green, I should have went with that. Pushing up. to 911. Look at that go. So got down to 854 and 9/16. That's 60 points. Yes. But granted, do you really think I was going to hold it for 50? I mean, in theory, when I go back and back test and I look at things like this and I see, I could just move the stop up behind each candle and that would have worked. But yet I never do that. Oh, definitely. I mean, you can see this blue candle would have worked for, 10, 7. This one would have worked for at least 10. This one would have worked for 50. This purple candle would have worked. This is the one I took. That one worked. This one even kind of worked. 871 down to 864. That one. Green is 9 and white is 20. $10 till the top of the hour. Yeah, looks like it might want to come down there. Now it's bouncing up. Oh no, I know Hassan, and I appreciate you. What you're saying. I appreciate your thoughts. Took a trade on top step. I have a target at the 9 EMA for this short. 5 micros. Looks like it wants to bounce there though. Of course it does. Didn't quite get down to the 9. Blue candle bounce. See if it holds. 15 seconds. Dropping back down. Dropping down low at the rooster crow. There we go. Back to red. Puts the target right on the 9. Tortures me by sitting right at, it's right at a even number. I didn't even look at that. Sitting right above 900. There we go. Come on. You jerk. Close enough. We're out. Small win. Of course, that's going to drop like a rock right now. And bouncing on the 9. So we're taking some small wins here. Sitting here, 9:08. 5 minutes until the top of the hour. Back up to 9:12. Another possible purple candle here. Kind of like this, up, and then down. This is a possible good setup. Possible good setup. If it gives me a purple. Nope, bounces. And it's still trying. Let's see if it breaks the 9. See if it's a 9 breaker. Breaker, 1-9. Oh, there it does. Kinda. We'll try it. Not a purple candle, but kind of a purple candle. It's my interpretation. Just going for the 20. Let's see what gives it to me. Purple is just going down and blue's going up. Purple is a bearish engulfing, blue is a bullish engulfing. So they're the same thing, just different direction. Didn't want to see a blue there. I mean, I can make them any color I want it. Oh, that was an 8 o'clock whoosh or 9 o'clock whoosh. Oh yeah, we're going to flatten them heading down there. Come on, fall. Fall. It's scared of my entry. It's using it as support. I'm out. I don't need to see that bounce. And now it comes down. But it's very choppy. Choppy, choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. This floppy earphone or headphone or whatever you want to call it, ear thingy is annoying. So still sitting here at 9:08. Remember, we do have news after the bell today. We have the JOLTS job openings report, which does usually jolt the market. That's coming up at the top of the hour. A should soon be joining us. Oh, now it drops. I should have held. I say that. Pulls down. Bouncing. I expect us to bounce here. So much so that I'm actually going to take a long on the top step eval that I'll take a little chance on. Oh, maybe I'll do that. Oh, yeah. There. See that nice little burst? I should have done that instead of just talking about it. Let's give them something to talk about. How's everyone else doing? Didn't go that far anyway. Purple candle here in NQ. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Short off the purple. If I lose on this, I'll blame Hassan. Just kidding. I know, Hassan. Uh, it's still in the trade, Hassan, so it's not a win or a loss yet. It's bouncing on me though. Come on, drop. Drop it down low with a rooster crow. Don't know why that song's in my head. Another purple. Ouch. Doesn't seem to want to drop. Looking for resistance. Hold on. Yeah, not really a resistance area. What's got my target's down at the 100 EMA. Can it get there? That's just by coincidence that it's there. Two green candles in a row. VWAP, huh? I actually have that. Oh yeah, it is on VWAP, isn't it? VWAP, VWAP. There we go. Now we got some momentum. Not a lot of momentum, but some. There we go. Come on. Out there. I think it's bouncing. So we got 4.5 points. Could have got as much as 8, but see if I would have got to my target, but I'm happy with that. It's another win. Yeah, it did kind of bounce there. So I'm happy I took that there. Did not get down to that 100 EMA, at least not yet. We are about 16 minutes from the bell. Nice pop there. So yeah, we're messing around VWAP. I don't watch VWAP much, but that that was a good call, Chris, to check VWAP. Y'all can be very happy I don't use VWAP much, because every time I say VWAP, I want to go VWAP, VWAP, doo-wop, doo-wop. Oh. Anyone else taking any trades this morning? How are we doing out there? A whole lot of watching going on. Hey, Ace, sorry. I totally missed you joining earlier. I apologize. Good morning, Ace. How are you feeling today? And thank you. Yep, yesterday was fun. I blame, I'll blame Hassan. He was dominating the chat, totally blocked you out. Oh, today's my day to blame Hassan for everything. Well, Ace, remember to put me and RJ in for an all-day stream on the 10th for my birthday. Put 4 money in for the 11th, and that's CPI day. RJ and me for an all-night stream on the 20th. Good morning, Mr. Burrell. How are you today? And when are we penciling you in to join me, Ace? Okay, I mean that's cool with me, Ace. Just so you know anything that just allows me to hear your voice works. So that's Zoom or Discord or anything like that. Yeah, you've been on Discord, so yeah, it's literally, you know, if I could call you right now and you would hear it, and you would just need to hit a button. Tio, good to see you, my friend. How are you? Where were you yesterday? You missed the MightyOxTrading third anniversary. We're just kind of sitting here right below 18,900. Just hanging on that 100 EMA. So I think, you know, I said about 100 EMA would have gotten down there, but no. So the guy that's not in the Platinum Challenge is doing the best with Platinum. Broke that 100 EMA, still heading down. Still falling. Well, Decast totally killed it, didn't he? Yeah, I'm missing all the good trades on Platinum. I need to figure out an alert system for myself. I tend to ignore the alerts on TradingView. I need to hire a trading assistant, one that watches my charts for me and tells me when there's something I'm looking for. Yeah, I actually had that system going for a little while. Hassan, I can reset that back up. I don't think I could pay as well as 2 points a day, Ace. Today's market open is brought to you by MyFundedFutures, my new #1 futures prop firm with evaluations that are very trader friendly, prices that are very inexpensive with no funded setup fees, makes this the best accounts in the future space. Just $76 all in for the 50K, $209 for 150K. Remember, no setup fees. End the day draw down. You have a path to live and a payout. If there's 5 winning days, MyFundedFutures is right for just about any trader except for super scalpers. Join MyFundedFutures today, my #1 prop firm. Quick burst down there. That might bounce there though as a volume spike. Copyright G-Man. That giveaway is still running until sometime today. Then the bot will pick, and I have a hotkey on the stream deck for it. So I just gotta hit the button on the stream deck. Here, back down to 870. Stream deck may be the best thing I've ever owned. And maybe some soybeans there too, Ace. Yeah. There's a heck of a train yard just not too far away from here with like 20 tracks. That's amazing, John. Just amazing. Thank you very much, Trade Up. Appreciate that. I need to see it for more than just one payout period, Burrow. I need to see what's going on. And he's doing it on RB, Hassan. Gasoline futures. Good luck on that, Ace. Now, Hassan, that's next month, but we'll be talking about graves for Halloween. RJ wants RJ wants to get in on an Aces gig. Let's see where we go. Up on the housetop. Click, click, click. Nice, RJ. Wondering why you were so silent. Whoosh. Ooh, gotta have that sound there. Comes up, touches the 100 EMA. Tries to bounce here. Looking like it wants to, but I ain't trusting it. I also ain't speaking good English. There we go. Breaks the 100. I should have trusted it. CNQ rising. Yawning. Ooh, rising. Rising back up, trying to get back up to 18,900. Oh, wow. And down. And up. I'm staying out of this. TO, I have a Stream Deck XL. Courtesy of a birthday present from Canadian Futures Trader. Ooh, blue candle. Does it break the 100? I don't want it unless it breaks the 100. Can it break 100? I love it. It's life changing. I can even program hotkeys into hotkeys for the trading platforms. I took a long there. I should have done it in micros, but whoosh. Oh, don't tease me. There we go. Target hit. 10 points. That was a quick 10 points. Yeah, I tested it with TradeDay. I'm going to test it with Topstep X sometime this week or maybe this weekend to program in the hotkeys. Morning, Greg. How are you? How's YM treating you? Yeah. Did you hear it earlier? I'll play it real quick. Oh, there we go. Whoosh. And it's kind of whooshing, so yep, I appreciate it, Trade Up. Trade Up is the one that sent me that whoosh sound to put in. Oh, that's a nice trade, Ace. I think those new arteries, Ace, have helped your trading. You seem to be getting more runners. Have a good one, Greg. Thanks for stopping in. Did you realize that the autograph CFT would just have a big red box over his face, though, right? You might have to pay extra for that to you. Oh, I like that purple candle on platinum. We'll take that if it holds. AQ coming back down. I think we all want to pick with 4 money. How close are we to overnight lows? I don't want to jump in this just to hit right at bottom. AQ trying to bounce here. Okay, cool. What the heck? Where's my NinjaTrader chart? Boop. AQ getting beaten back down. One minute to go on the 5-minute candle on platinum. Well, every 5-minute candle, but We're short on platinum. We're short on NQ. May have been a mistake. It's kind of all wrapped up in those EMAs. I feel like it wants to drop, but we'll see. Ouch. Stopped out. We're long on NQ. And we got it right back. There we go. So I get in PL, he gets out. I'm sensing a conspiracy here by Hassan. Ooh. You said you're done for the day, Ace, so you'll be breaking your rules. And what kind of example would that set for your children? Oh, sorry. Big move back up on NQ up to 950. What's our high a day? High of the overnight, 983. We're rising. Gold falling. Question is gold going to break back under 2,500? I'm at break even on the platinum trade. Where did I get out? No, I didn't. I didn't exit. I was just saying that's where I was at the time. I'm still short on platinum. I should be up now. Yeah, there we go. There's my platinum. I'm up 40 bucks right now. Where should I put my target, Hassan? Right now it's like, not even sure where my target's at. Oh, you know what? I bet you have a trailing stop on this, so I don't have a target. I was using an old ES ATM. That makes me go look at what the lows of PL were. Looks like 902, 10. That'd be good. 90210. That should be a nice drop. I'm in at 906.7. I'm just gonna let it fall. Purple candle here at NQ. Not afraid of falling. JJR, how are you doing today? Yes, yes, it was. It's also a famous zip code in California. which is why the show is named that. That was a bigger candle than I thought. But ETN do I have on here? 10, okay. Oh, that wasn't a fun bounce. Ouch. Wow, it hit. Are you serious? It hit 2 ticks from my target and then bounced big time. Yeah, get back down there. Ouch, I'm going to get... How big is my stop? Ouch. Well, that just wiped out my profit for today. Ouch. Yeah, it was probably a stupid trade. Oh, I'm still on desktop. I'm sorry. Well, there you see my platinum trade's working out. What, the whoosh? Sorry, I didn't realize the whoosh was on still. There shouldn't have been a whoosh there. Still learning the ins and outs of the stream deck. Now it comes down. Came out, stopped me out first, and then comes down. So wait till next month when I add a whole bunch of Halloween sounds. Ace, please ban Hassan. No, kidding. I should put Trade Up in charge of finding me my sound effects. And back up. If you seriously want to do that Trade Up, that'd be awesome. I'm at, in all honesty, I'm at a choke point right now with MightyOxTrading and everything I do. Is that I'm finding it hard to do everything. And I'm falling behind on some things. So I'm having to figure out if I can delegate some things to people. So Hassan, don't make me start singing Shebang. Starting tomorrow, RJ will be here on your on the stream. Uh, 10 minutes to the top of the hour when we get jolted by the JOLTS report. Purple candle. Oh yeah, platinum's still going. I probably should check, see where I'm at on that trade. That's my problem with holding longer trades, is I forget that I'm in them. I'm up $100, so that's what, that's 20 ticks, right? I think it might, this is where it might, I have the stop trailing. I put the stop at the top of the second to last candle. Oh, there's a little bounce. Ouchie. Should have taken the 20 ticks. What are you trying to say about Santa Claus? And now we're all depressed. Uh, dude, I don't know. I hope not. Oh, uh, politics and religion, politics and religion. Alert, alert, alert. Help, I'm out of that platinum trade. It pulled back and hit my trailing. It's only 9 ticks. Bouncing back up, getting jolted in 5. Gold falling again. Platinum with a bounce. Here's NQ running back up toward 19,000, trying to hit 19,000. Well, either way, it's a move up. I wonder if Burrell's algo got in on this long. Ooh, that's a big old purple. Big old purple. It went away. It couldn't hold the 9. And bouncing. How far up does Platinum need to go before it's no longer a pullback? Wow, that's far. Another purple candle trying to tempt me here just a couple minutes before the JOLTS report. I took the short thinking that was the candle close because I misread the time. So this could be bad. Not sure how I misread 0-1 for 40, but okay. Maybe it's time to get the eyes checked. Bounces off the 20. Nice, RJ. Get that thing. It's going to stop me out. Maybe. 2 minutes until we're jolted. Less than 2 minutes. I'll be out of this trade one way or, well, maybe, you know, I mean, yeah, I'll probably be out of this trade one way or the other. Fall. There we go. I like when it listens. Oh, it bounces off that darn 20 EMA again. One minute till jolting. Jolting? Wow, now I can't talk. Come on, burst down, hit my target, and then we'll be good. No, that's the wrong way. That's my stop. I said target. You know that store with the red and the dog? Just gonna hold. No, it stopped me out right before the news anyway. Ooh, whoosh! Figures, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Bet you're glad that you're no longer in that long, Ace. We're down 125 points. Think that deserves a second. Jolt's job opening 7.673 million. They expected 8.1, so a big miss. Factory orders 5%. They expected 4.9. So ouch. Ouch, RJ. That's a big ouch. And look at Platinum running. Yeah, it is. How can we never get slipped like that on the profit side of things, RJ? Well, that's odd. I tried to take the long on the top step and it told me my order was rejected. Still rejected. It's my account is fine, so I have no idea why it's rejecting orders. To the top step Discord I go while I watch this rise back up. Yep. Okay. It's rejecting everybody's orders on Top Step X. RJ. Target hit. In 2 seconds, I took 10 points on NQ on MyFundedFutures. 945 to 955. That was after a 57-point candle. It was followed by a 30, following a 32-point candle. Well, it's probably all of sim to fund it. So anyone that has sim to fund it's probably having an issue. Uh, oh crap! I was going to take that purple candle, then it bounced. Watch it still work. It did work. It would have given me 15. Those are the ones I hate. The purple candles there, it worked, but it bounced. It had a wick. It's fighting. Blue candle trying to pop back up there, but it's playing with the 100 EMA. It's tickling it. I need a tickle sound. Don't worry, I'm not going to go crazy on sound effects, guys. Ooh, blue candle. Do I want it? Do I want it? We're long, but I don't have an MNQ chart in. Hold on. There we go. I just heard the thing. Did I hit my target? I hit my target. 20 points on 3 micros. Darn, I should have went with a mini. So how about that? Wait, what? Okay. Still rising. Yeah, I was confused about your 575 on NQ. I'm like, I'm looking at where we're at. I'm like, wow, that's like a 600 point rise. That's understandable, RJ. Continuing to rise. Pulling back. Yeah, we're above the jolt. Pulling back. Big candles. ATR is 35. Which is why I went down the micros. Wishing I hadn't, but I can't take the chance of. Yeah, it is all sim to funded too. Alpha Futures is reporting the same. So it's an issue with sim to funded. Anyone that's on that platform. Excuse me. We have about 45 minutes left to go in the stream. Still fighting my way back. Go back, Jack. Could have set a 50-point target on that last trade and got it. Oops. Sorry about that. Continuing to try and bounce back up. Sorry about that black screen there. That was an accident. Purple candle. I think it wants down, but we'll see. Top Step says everything is fixed with the Top Step X issue. So we'll test that out then. Scary when you hear order rejected because you think he did something wrong. Yep, it's working for me. Oh, rejection down. Big rejection, 42-point candle. Down to that 100 EMA. There you go. Bounces off the 100 EMA. Coming back down, bouncing off the other EMAs. We're bouncing between EMAs. Have a good one, Ace. We'll see you tomorrow, my friend. Yep. EMA pinball. It's a candle sandwich with the EMAs being the bread. RJ's love should be all your heart needs, Ace. Yeah, fancy people needing your oxygenated blood. Popping back up. Yeah, they gave him this whole new arteries. They give you a warranty on those arteries? Yeah, bouncing off the 9. How old is he? Can you, if he lied, can you, will you, like in 35 years, can you, will he still be alive that you can take him to court on that? Don't be late for rehab, Ace. Figures. We all hope he's right. That said, I doubt I'll be here in 40 years to know whether or not he was right or not. Long, oops, yeah, long top step X, 3 micros. And gets beaten back down. Good, I should have taken profit. Come on back up. Yeah, there you go. Got beat back down and rises back up. Rising up. But does seem to struggle right around 970. Nope. Bounces off the EMAs again. Yeah, Mom, can you break 971? There's 972. I've seen it. I've seen it. Just taking it. It's probably going to continue to go now, but I'll take that. And Q in a range where the banks and the algos play. Where We all get stopped. I don't know, I'll have to work on that one. I think I got out at the right time, maybe. Or it's just going to bounce back. Up there, yeah, bounces. Oh yeah, I should have stayed in. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. So take a trade tonight. It's gonna be alright. I see NQ on the rise. ATR is still at 30. Bouncing on the EMAs again. Nope, can't get through the 9. Excuse me 1 second. I'm back. Oh, I need to remove that camera button from my stream deck. I almost hit the camera. Continuing the rise. Broke 19,000 for a second or two. and re-breaks it in a big way. New high a day. It's gonna sit here at 19,020. Pulling down. Hassan, is platinum officially no longer a pullback? Yeah, they add up. Little trades add up, RJ. Kind of want to take platinum long, but I'm not sure. AQ rising. How's everyone else doing today? Red, green? Somewhere in between. Oh, we also had a Fed speaker. It wasn't on the docket. Oh, oil's below 70. Down to 69.40. It's been a while since oil's been below 70. I mean, it dipped under it last night as well, but let's look at the daily. Ooh, wow, that's an ugly looking chart. Let's look over here. Yeah, 69.50 here. We're at the lowest point we've been on oil since here, February 8th. AQ continuing to rise. Robin, post up $7,500 in profit today. I apologize, $7,501 in profit. Don't tell that to Kyle Schwarber. I'm long on platinum. Ooh, whoosh. Small whoosh. I'm down a little bit. It's been kind of wild. I'm up on top step, down on MyFundedFutures. Why would I do something like that? I was trading my fast tracks yesterday. Yeah, I got 3 of the 25Ks, bro. Hey, Ghost. Rising. 4 top step, 1 apex, 3 fast track. And a partridge in a pear tree. I want to get the 5th top step, and I want to get this MyFundedFutures. Eventually, I want 3 MyFundedFutures. And then I'll just worry about the fundeds. No more evals. Except for like the platinum challenge. Good luck, RJ. Nice. Well, if I ever get consistent, I'll probably max out on the FTT and all that. get as much as I can from them. Yeah, I would be down for that, Burl. What would you have to say, Hassan? Hey, you don't have to, Hassan. This is open unless it's about politics or religion. Yeah, you're not going to offend me. Well, I can't guarantee you won't offend anyone in the chat, but you know. I think trade up. You should write a strongly worded letter. Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely agree, Hassan. 100%. And yes, that thought has played in my mind, Hassan. Yeah, I mean, Blue Sky probably wouldn't have gotten. Well, I mean, the fact that she had open information that's still on her Facebook, by the way, and all that played a part of it. The fact that he threatened me with legal action, another part of it. So yeah, I mean, is issues. Yeah, yeah, you're right. Get your target, RJ. All right, get that runner, RJ. And I do agree with Hassan. I understand that. And believe me, I've been wrestling with things in my mind. If someone doesn't have a Discord or isn't involved with trading communities like we are, which is a lot of people, they would have no idea what's going on with um, Fast Track. Because everything outside of the Discord looks peachy. AQ coming down. By the way, Hassan, don't ever be afraid to say something to me. I'm not gonna ever you know get upset with you. And that's part of the problem, Hassan. Obviously I can make a video and say, this, and this is happening. And because they're paying and because of everything else, it's going to affect maybe, there might be maybe 1%. And, then and all it's going to do is that means whoever would have signed up with my link is going to jump over to somebody else. Been thinking is, what I could quit promoting FTT, but the money I'm getting from that is going to is helping me and is helping others. So in that way, and the fact that I do plan on getting payouts from him as well, so I plan on being a net negative to his company. So that's what I'm trying to whoosh. Oh. Well, I mean, part of my job is kind of, I've done that with Blue Sky. I've done that with Lilu. Trust me. I mean, the morals of it bother me. It's just at this point, I don't think anything I could say would change anything. No, and have we seen if we've seen that? No, I would definitely call that out. I'm not sure. You know, okay. I mean, if I ever saw anything like that, that would be the end of it. And I do, like I said, I did say this a couple of weeks ago. I do feel at some point he's going to get so cocky that he's going to say something that's going to be hard to come back from at some point. So, uh, whether I don't think it's gone to that level yet. And Q's trying to bounce here. 19,039 came down, whoosh down, up, back up, and now trying to figure out where it wants to go in life. I'm not the police, but I'm also I am a resource for the community. And I've said time and time again, I would love to get to the point where I don't need the income from being an affiliate, where I would just drop down to being an affiliate of like one or two companies that I really like, because that it would allow me. I try to be as objective as possible, but we all have our unconscious biases, and that would allow a lot of those unconscious biases to go away. So, but yeah, I mean, trust me, this stuff does weigh on my mind. I know, and I know that, Hassan, but I mean, I just want you to know that yes, these thoughts do go through my mind. It's not, I'm not, at least in my mind, it's not something I'm turning a blind eye to. It does weigh on me. Tradeify is launching on Friday with their, direct to fund it, and they could be taking a big part of fast track from business. We'll see. Unfortunately, they haven't got their affiliate program launched, so I can't promote them. I mean, I can promote them, but I'm not going to get anything from it. I have no problem with having people that have different views as long as they're not like extreme views, racist or all that stuff. I mean, I have different views than a lot of you guys, and that's fine. I consider you all friends, and there's no reason people can't have different views. But there's some stuff that I mean, like yesterday when he posted. Yeah, Burrell, I'm not sure if you realize it, but yesterday the CEO posted the name, address, and phone number of of someone that did a chargeback. So, I mean, that's just totally wrong. I mean, what if it's someone, one of the people that got upset by it was lived close to him and went over and shot the guy? Okay, guys. Right. He did do that. No, I mean he has cleaned some things up. In the early days of the Discord, they were posting porn links. I'm long. I forgot I was. Crap. I forgot I had. There we go. Target hit. I forgot I had an NNQ chart up. Ooh, wow. I wish I had held. Up to 0.71. Politics, religion, and maybe now fast track trading. Full. I see. The Dow pulled back. How much of a runner did you get, RJ? Are you still in? Oh, I mean, there are levels, Burl. If he's done things like use the word autistic as an insult, which shouldn't happen. Oh, cool. It sounds like you've done well today, RJ, just in smaller moves. Nice, RJ. I mean, there's companies I would never invest in, but I would day trade. Like if I had the money, I would day trade Tesla, but I would never buy it as an investment. Everybody, please breathe, guys. I don't want to see Mighty Ox Trading explode the day after our third anniversary. Technically, it's 2 days after, but we had the holiday on Monday. That might be a good time to say this is, and we've reached the end of our time today. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. I'm finishing this a slightly red. That came back nicely. Hope everyone has a great day. We'll see you tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Bye, all. Somewhere here I have an end screen. Where's my end screen? There it is. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from Mighty Ox Trading. Have a great rest of your day.